Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Juice and Foods. I'm sure your summer is going fantastic. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And to my subscribers, thanks so much for sticking here with me and watching my videos. Be blessed. So today, as you might have seen from the video title, we're making 3 pineapple summer beach drinks. Yeah, that was a mouthful. In my last video, I made cream of coconut. If you haven't watched it, please do. I'll leave the link in the description and also as a recommended video at the end of this video. I'm going to be using cream of coconut in one of the drink recipes today. Let's get started. The first one is virgin Pina Colada. This one is very popular. All you need are pineapple juice, cream of coconut, pineapple chunks, ice, and maraschino cherries. Now all you're going to do is add all the ingredients except the maraschino cherries into the blender. That is, I'm going to add the pineapple juice, the pineapple chunks, the cream of coconut, and the ice to the blender, and I'm going to blend. Now you would rather use a high-speed blender for this, but mine is not high-speed blender, but it turned out okay. Yay, and the pina colada is ready. I'm just going to pour it in my glass and garnish with the maraschino cherries and pineapple wedges. This drink is awesome, guys, and it's also child friendly. So there we have it, virgin pina colada. The second one is tropical sunshine drink. This one is pretty simple and easy. It won't even take you a minute. All you need are ice, Sprite, pineapple juice, and grenadine syrup. First, I'm going to add as much ice as I can into the glasses. Then I'm going to use the spoon to measure out equal parts of pineapple juice and Sprite and pour into the glass. Then I'm going to add a splash of the grenadine syrup. So voila guys, the tropical sunshine drink is ready. It looks so good and tastes even better. I love the rich red color. Okay, the third one is virgin pineapple mojito. I'm going to be needing some grape juice, so I'm going to quickly make that. And there we have the grape juice is ready. Okay, so now we're going to be needing soda water or sparkling water, ice, pineapple chunks, the juice of 1 lime, grape juice which I just made, and mint. I'm also going to use honey as a sweetener as well. First of all, I'm going to mash the pineapple chunks with a fork. I'm also going to add the mint and mash them together because I want to bring out the flavor. And then I'm going to add this to the glass, add some ice, and using the measuring spoon, I'm going to add in equal parts of the grape juice, the sparkling water. I'm also going to squeeze in some lime juice, and I decided to add some pineapple juice, even though this wasn't part of the recipe, but I think it gives it a nice flavor. And then I'm going to add some honey as a sweetener and put in some lime wedges into the drink. Virgin Pineapple Mojito. This drink is exquisite and also child-friendly. There you have it, guys. 3 summer beach drinks. The Virgin Pina Colada, Tropical Sunshine Drink, and the Virgin Pineapple Mojito. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're still here, it probably means you like the video, so thumbs up the video and share it. I would also like to know in the comment section which of the 3 drinks is your favorite. Mine is the Tropical Sunshine Drink. Please leave me a comment and also subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!